nuclear stability. Nuclear reaction भन्दा बित्तिकै हामी के बुझ्छौँ भने जहिले पनि यो कन्टिन्युअसली डिके भएको बुझ्छौँ तर यसको स्टेबल भन्दा बित्तिकै हामी के भन्न सक्छौँ भने when the spontaneous decay is get switched off, then that is called the nuclear stability. Now question number 9. Any one example of radioactive emission. We need to write one example of the radioactive emission. That means uranium, thorium, plutonium. These are the examples where it undergoes the phenomena of the radioactive emission. Means when 92 uranium-236 undergo the radioactive emission, it gives barium and krypton plus neutron along with the 236 kilocalorie of the energy. When elements obtained after nuclear fission of uranium. Uranium चाहिँ जब छुट्टिन्छ त्यसपछि कुन एलिमेन्ट्सहरू अब्टेन हुन्छ भन्ने यो क्वेसनका लागि पनि हामी माथिकै कुरा हेर्न सक्छौँ। यहाँ युरेनियम स्प्लिट भएर के बनेको छ बेरियम र क्रिप्टन. सो बेरियम एन्ड क्रिप्टन आर the element that are obtained after the nuclear fission of the uranium. Now last question of this group, that is, what is the atomic weight of sulfur? Atomic weight of sulfur. You have asked the atomic weight of the sulfur. Now, to know the atomic weight of the sulfur, first we need to know the atomic number. Atomic number of sulfur is 60. So when it is multiplied by 2, we get its atomic weight. That is, atomic weight of the sulfur is 32. Group C question of the tensile correction for class 9 found. This question was already discussed in the group B. Already discussed in group B to find out the molecular formula. Number second question, two differences between electrovalent and covalent compound. Electrovalent and covalent compound. And one is covalent. Compound which is formed by the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to other, or electrovalent compound are called electrovalent compound. And now the definition of the covalent compound. Those compounds which are formed by the mutual sharing of the electrons mutual sharing of the electrons are called covalent compound. Now number second difference, they have high melting point and boiling point, and they have low melting point and boiling point. These are two differences between the electrovalent compound and covalent compound. Now example of electrovalent compound, NaCl, MgO, CaCl2, etc. And the example of the covalent compounds are water, ammonia, methane, etc. This is the differences between the electrovalent and covalent compound. Now question number 3. Which type of the compounds are called electrovalent compounds? Those compounds that are formed by the complete transfer of electron from one atom to another, are called electrovalent compound. Now we need to write the example for this also. Example are NaCl, CaCl2, MgO. यहाँ अलिकति हेरौँ, NaCl चाहिँ कसरी इलेक्ट्रोभ्यालेन्ट कम्पाउन्ड बन्यो? NaCl भन्दा बित्तिकै Na जो कति नम्बरमा पर्छ? 11 नम्बरमा पर्छ र क्लोरिन जो चाहिँ 17 नम्बरमा पर्छ। अब यहाँ Na को इलेक्ट्रोनिक कन्फिगुरेसन चाहिँ 281 हुन्छ, त्यसै गरेर क्लोरिन को चाहिँ 287 हुन्छ। अब यहाँ M चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने अक्टेट स्टेट बनाउने चाहिँ M हुन्छ। अब यो सोडियमले अक्टेट स्टेट बनाउनका लागि यो एउटा इलेक्ट्रोन क्लोरिनलाई दिन्छ। एकतिर यो आफू अक्टेट बन्छ र अर्कोतिर यसको इलेक्ट्रोनले गर्दा क्लोरिन पनि अक्टेट हुन्छ। क्लोरिनलाई एकवटा इलेक्ट्रोन चाहिएको छ, सोडियमले एकवटा इलेक्ट्रोन दिनु परेको छ र दुवैले अक्टेट स्टेट चाहिँ अटेन गर्छ। यो 28 हुन्छ र यो चाहिँ 288 हुन्छ। र यहाँ के भएको छ भने देयर इज द कम्प्लिट ट्रान्सफर अफ द इलेक्ट्रोन। एउटाबाट अर्कोमा चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रोन के भएको छ? ट्रान्सफर भएको छ, त्यहाँ शेयरिङ भएको छैन, दुईवटा मिसिएका छैन। यसले दिएको छ, यसले लिएको छ। Now question number 4, atom and molecule. The smallest unit of particle of an element is called atom, and the molecule is the smallest unit of a compound is called molecule. Now another difference is atom is alone itself. Molecule is formed by the combination of two or more atoms. Molecules is formed by the combination of two or more atoms. Now we are heading towards another question. So the compound formed by the combination of aluminum and oxygen. We need to show the compound. So the compound formed by aluminium by crisscross method. Crisscross method follow गरेर हामीले एल्युमिनियम र अक्सिजन मिसाउँदा चाहिँ के बन्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ गर्नुपर्नेछ। अब एल्युमिनियमको सिम्बल Al हो, अक्सिजनको सिम्बल O हो। अब यिनीहरूको हेडमा हामीले भ्यालेन्सी लेख्नुपर्छ। एल्युमिनियमको भ्यालेन्सी 3 हो, अक्सिजनको भ्यालेन्सी 2 हो। अब यो दुईटालाई हामी क्रिस गर्छौँ र यो क्रिस क्रसको नम्बर चाहिँ यसको हामी सबस्क्रिप्ट गर्छौँ भनेको Al2O3 is the compound that is formed by the combination of the aluminium and oxygen, and the name of the compound is aluminium oxide. Now another question. Two differences between element and compound. Two differences between element and compound. Pure substances. Element are pure substances which cannot be broken down into simpler form by chemical reaction. And compound are impure substances. Compound are the impure substances which can be broken down into simpler form by the chemical reaction. The number of elements are fixed. We have the fixed number of the elements, but the number of molecules are not fixed. This is all about the true differences between electrovalent bond. Two differences between electrovalent bond and covalent bond. Formed by the complete transfer of electrons are called electrovalent bond.